This is a video walkthrough of Bridges Library System's online library catalog. To access your account, go to cafe.bridgeslibrarysystem.org and click on Login in the top right corner. Log in with your library card barcode using both letters and numbers without spaces and your passcode. To search from your library's portal, select your library's name from the drop-down menu under Select a Library at the top. Your account. To view your account details, click on Account and Bookshelf at the bottom of the page. You will find your account details here. Your checkouts, holds, fees, and profile information. This is also where you will find your bookmarks, saved searches, and reading history if you have opted in. To search. To search for a title, type your search terms into the open bar at the top of the page next to the orange magnifying glass icon. On the search results page, you'll notice that the listings include tabs for the various formats available for that title. To find a copy on the shelf at a library, click on the library name. This will show you each copy, its checkout status, and its location. To see copies at other locations, click on a library name, then click on the drop-down menu under Location on the top right. This lists all the library locations with one or more copies of the item. You can easily navigate between the locations through this menu. Placing holds. To place a hold on an item, click on the format you'd like and then click on Place Hold on the right side. Choose your pickup location and area if needed, then click Confirm Location to complete your hold. To place a hold on a certain edition, click on Place Hold by Edition to open the full listing to allow you to choose the edition you would like. When you find the edition you'd like, click on Place Hold next to it, then choose your pickup location. You can also pause your hold by checking the box and entering a date. Click Confirm Location to complete your hold. To start using the library catalog, visit cafe.bridgeslibrarysystem.org. Your friendly library staff are available to help with any questions and to show you additional features.